Bojo Nindenaway Maganadog. Sterling Nadish Nakaz, Magizi and Nindanish Nabage Nakazoin. Bean again, Nongo Minishna Bemuin, Geek Non Jigawin. Welcome to Words of the Day in Ojibwe. My name is Sterling. Your words for today are going to do it Canada. So where the word Canada came from was the Huron Iroquois people. So Canada really means village, settlement. So Jacques Cartier heard the people speak. He went to go visit Quebec City, which was like one of the landmarks for the natives at one point. And they called it Kanata, Kanata. And right from that time, they taught the land in that area was called Canada. But the Ojibwe, they called it Jagnashiwaking, which means land of the British. Bunch of bastards. But what we really call it is Miigwech, which means Turtle Island. So they talk about all of North America. We didn't specifically call it Canada. We're not just this land. It's like all of North America, which is Miigwech, Turtle Island. I got a couple good words that'll make you good. Zagadizuin. That means love yourself. Self-love. Care for yourself. Gandajindizuin. Respect yourself. Respect your self-worth. Integrity. Gajewadizuin. Unconditional love. Kind heart. Modie. Shitty shorts. Just gotta kill it. Oh, Miigwech. Bisinduig. Bamapi.